you have a Toyota Rav4 that needs to get pulled out of the ditch, well, make sure that you use the 2 anchor points to get pulled out so you don't do any more damage to the bottom of the vehicle. The first anchor point is if you need to get pulled from the front. If you need to get pulled from the front, then you need this anchor here. This anchor can be found with the tool to jack up your vehicle. Depending if you need to get pulled from the driver's side or the passenger side, you can either mount it on this side of the bumper or on this side of the bumper. All you need to install the tow hook here is a flat screwdriver or maybe a small tiny key. You're going to want to remove this plastic cap here. So you're going to want to squeeze in between. Just like this. Now inside this hole there's the thread to hook this up. A regular thread. Thread them all the way. And now the tow truck can use that to pull you out of the ditch. So I'm gonna tell you, if the tow truck driver don't install that, or you don't install it yourself, they're going to wrap around all of your steering linkage or your wheel linkage, and they're going to bend and rip tons of stuff, and your repairs are going to go through the roof into thousands of dollars. Put the plastic cap back in. There's just those 2 clips on the side here. They fit on each side parallel to the ground. Just put them here and you push, and now it's secure again. But what if you don't need to get pulled by the front and you need to get pulled by the back? Well, I'll go show you right now. At the back of your Toyota Rav4, there's one built-in tow hook already. You don't have to install anything. This is on the driver's side, right underneath here. Well, hopefully you never need to use those tow hooks, but if you do, then at least you know how to do it. Hopefully you find this video useful. If you do, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. I got tons of video playlists on the Rav4, so go check them out. We'll see you later.